Hello friends? Is your car struggling to start, misfiring, or even stalling unexpectedly? If your check engine light is on and you've got code P0322, it means there's a problem with the ignition distributor engine speed input circuit. This issue can cause RPM fluctuations, rough idling, and even a sudden engine shutdown. In this video, we'll explain what P0322 means, common symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. P0322 stands for Ignition Distributor Engine Speed Input Circuit No Signal. This means your car's powertrain control module is not receiving a proper signal from the crankshaft position sensor or camshaft position sensor. These sensors help the PCM control ignition timing and fuel injection. Without a proper RPM signal, your car may misfire, stall, or refuse to start. Common symptoms of P0322: check engine. Light on, tachometer not working or fluctuating randomly, engine cranks but doesn't start, rough idling and misfires, stalling while driving, loss of power and poor acceleration. Ignoring P0322 can lead to serious drivability issues, leaving you stranded. Since P0322 is related to engine speed detection, here's where you should inspect. Crankshaft position sensor or CKP, located near the crankshaft pulley, flywheel or transmission bell housing. This sensor sends RPM data to the PCM, camshaft position sensor or CMP, mounted on the cylinder head near the camshaft gears. It synchronizes fuel injection and ignition timing with the CKP sensor, ignition control module or ICM, found near the ignition coil or distributor. It processes the RPM signal for the PCM, distributor sensor for older vehicles. Vehicles with a distributor may have a built-in engine speed sensor inside the distributor. And finally, wiring and connectors to the PCM. Damaged wiring between sensors and the PCM can cause loss of signal. Here are some common causes of P0322. First, a faulty crankshaft position sensor, or CKP. If the sensor fails, the PCM won't detect engine speed. Second, a bad camshaft position sensor, or CMP. A failing CMP sensor can disrupt ignition timing. Third, a malfunctioning ignition control module, or ICM. If faulty, it can cause signal loss to the PCM. Fourth, loose or corroded wiring or connectors. Damaged wiring can prevent the RPM signal from reaching the PCM. Fifth, distributor sensor failure in older cars. If the built-in sensor inside the distributor is bad, it won't send proper data. And finally, PCM issues. A faulty PCM or outdated software can misread or ignore RPM signals. Here are the steps to fix P0322. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for related misfire codes like P0300 to P0308. Step 2. Inspect the crankshaft position sensor, or CKP. If damaged or not reading RPM correctly, replace it. Step 3. Check and test the camshaft position sensor, or CMP. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Repair as needed. Step 5. Test the ignition control module, or ICM. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 6. If your car has a distributor-based ignition system, check the internal sensor inside the distributor. Step 7. If everything seems fine, a PCM reprogram or replacement might be required. And Step 8. Clear the codes and take your car for a test drive to ensure proper operation. Driving with P0322 can lead to unpredictable stalling misfires and even complete engine shutdown. Fixing this issue ensures smoother acceleration, better fuel efficiency, and reliable ignition timing. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos: P0302, Cylinder 2, misfire detected, and P0303, Cylinder 3 misfire detected. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.